Taking action tonight, Richmond voters are just weeks away from deciding whether they will bring a casino to the River City. But financial issues could put one of the companies behind the project in jeopardy of losing its listing with the Nasdaq stock exchange.
8 News reporter Nicole Danzler is taking action, asking organizers how this happened and if it will negatively impact the proposed project. She's in Richmond with details on this.
Urban One was flagged for financial reporting irregularities, but during a community meeting, the CEO told us they're in strong financial standing and voters should trust them to get back on track. Urban One, which is partnering with Churchill Downs to bring a $562 million casino and resort to Richmond's South Side, is telling residents to vote yes. At the same time, Urban One CEO Alfred Liggins is addressing concerns about the company's financial standing after it was found non-compliant with the Nasdaq stock exchange.
Richmonders can trust us.
The company is at risk of losing its listing with Nasdaq after not meeting deadlines to submit financial reports. Liggins blames audit company changes and financial revisions for falling behind on filings required to be in compliance with the stock market.
The issues are all around non-cash classifications of how we deal with stock options, restricted stock units, and ultimately also how we accounted for the referendum expenses in 21.
According to filing documents, Urban One received its first letter of non-compliance from Nasdaq back in April. In May, the media company agreed to submit the necessary financial reports to regain compliance by September 27th. On Friday, we learned Urban One didn't meet that deadline and is at risk of being suspended from the stock exchange.
The company has never been more financially sound, so it's just how we've presented these financials that has caused the late filing, and we will get those things cleared up with our auditors, and then we will get back into compliance with Nasdaq. We don't expect a delisting issue.
But he says supporters of the casino won't have to worry because this business problem doesn't impact the casino referendum vote happening in November. It will be on the ballot no matter what. Urban One has a hearing with Nasdaq on this issue. That'll happen on October 20th. Any suspension or delisting will not happen before this time. But if the meeting goes Urban One's way, they could be given several more months to file the missing documents. In Richmond, Nicole Danzler, 8 News.
Nicole, thanks. New tonight.